Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Sixt rental car honest review. Is it worth it? Looking to rent a car with Sixt? Here's the honest breakdown in under a minute. Sixt is a German-based global rental company active in over 100 countries, best known for its sleek fleet of BMWs, Audis, and Mercedes at competitive rates. On paper, it looks perfect: luxury cars, easy booking through their modern app, and perks for loyal customers. But here's the catch: experiences in 2025 are highly mixed. Many renters reported in fees, aggressive upsells at pickup, and even post rental damage claims for scratches or remarks they never caused. Refunds and deposit returns can also take days or even weeks. Service quality varies wildly by location, meaning your experience might depend on more luck than loyalty. So is it worth it? If you're after a premium ride and you're meticulous about documenting the car and checking the fine print, 6 can be a solid deal. But if you want a peace of mind and stress-free service, the risks may outweigh the rewards. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.